Do you know why do some managers finish 10 things before lunch while others are drawing in to-do list by 5 p.m.? It's not hustle. It's not coffee. It's smart goal setting hacks that actually work. In this next few minutes, I'll show you how top managers set goals so you can achieve more in less time every single day. Hack number one, be specific. You have to set your goals very clear, and these clear goals will motivate your team to work to their best. Your goals must be measurable so that you can track the progress with the KPIs like the sales or leads. These must be achievable, it must be realistic in nature. However, that must be challenging target so that the interest of your employee continues. They must be relevant. They must align to your goals of the company's strategy. Time bound, critical timelines and deadlines can force the feeling of urgency, making them to be completed in time. Then is evaluation and readjustment. You will have to review the progress and adapt your goals as per the needs of the time. Hack number two, prioritize with agenda or metrics. Daily prioritize what is urgent and what's important. Do this task immediately. Then comes the important but not urgent. You can schedule time for this task. You can avoid them for time being, but you have to complete them in time. Urgent but not important. You can delegate these tasks to the subordinates, to the persons below you. Then comes neither urgent nor important. You can eliminate these tasks and you can move forward. Hack number three, break down goals into micro action. Break down big yearly goals into quarterly sprints, quarterly sprints into monthly goals. Keep your agile, focused and accountable. Divide larger goals into manageable steps. This will reduce the burnout in your employees. This will not only boost the motivation of your employees, but will help you sustain the momentum. Example maybe increase sales by 20 years with make 5 extra sales calls daily, and this will help you out in achieving your goals. Hack number 4, visual goal tracking. Images are always good. Then the last text. This visual aids like Kanban boards can increase the transparency. Then can help maintain the accountability. Teams report 30% higher success with visual tracking are much better than vague terms. You can use popular tools like Trello, Asana, Monday.com to help your manage your task effectively. Hack number 5, leverage the power of accountability. You must remember that keep the goal top of the mind with consistent follow-up can help achieve the goal. You must share goal openly to boost the dedication of your employees. Buddy system, mutual support in the buddy system can drive 40% goal improvement as per the recent studies. Peer pressure. You can use the peer pressure to positively influence the team dynamics and enhance the performance of the team. 6. The 2-minute rule. Act on small tasks. Complete tasks that are under 2 minutes and complete them immediately. This will give you a jump start to a task. This will reduce the procrastination because quick wins help build momentum. Example, maybe you reply to the short emails, make quick calls, delegate simple items to your subordinates. As per one of the study, managers save almost 22 minutes daily by following the simple 2 minutes rule. So these were all 6 hacks that you can follow immediately to be effective in your daily life. I hope that you liked the video. So please like and subscribe to the video. And please avoid these common mistakes that normally managers do. First is setting too many goals, not avoiding the team, not involving the team and avoiding the team, forgetting to review the progress weekly. And what is the fix? You can pick 3 to 5 goals per quarter, set ownership and review them regularly. Remember, clarity creates speed. The clearer your goals, the faster your result. Use these hacks and you will stop managing sounds and start leading success. Like and share this with your team. Subscribe to Manager in Minutes, where managers grow smarter, one video at a time.